Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and I'm going to be using the LSP Sleek Workflow action set to edit this beautiful image by Magda Bright. For the complete instructions and overview, please do watch video 1. This is video number 3, where I'm going to work super quickly. Okay, so I'm going to click here to play the Sleek Workflow multi-layer setup. This will set up 20 essential balancing layers above your main image, which include toning, white balance, softening of the skin, colouring, details, finishes, as well as some artistic enhancements. You'll notice that some of these layers have black masks and some have white. The white layer masks are designed for you to slide the opacity, for example, darken the image here, and the black layer masks are designed to be painted. If you are familiar with LSP Actions, you'll be able to use these super fast, but even if you're a complete beginner, you should pick up on these really quickly. Okay, so I'm going to slide the white balance up until I'm happy. You can see we're just bringing some of this grey back in now, so that's before and after that. I think I may warm the image up just a little bit. Let's take a touch of that contrast out. Depth balance is really nice, it does exactly what it says on the tin. Bold tones, I don't think we need to really bold tone this image. Okay, so I'm going to come down here to the brushes now. A white brush has already been selected. This is set to normal mode, 100% opacity and 25% flow. Let's just zoom in a little bit. Now this is a super fast pre-edit that I'm doing. There are no complex skin retouching actions or anything like that included here, but you do have skin softening. You have sharpening actions, so you can really start to bring out those details. And sharp pop, which is great for lashes, eyebrows, anything like that. I'm going to click on here, the go away yellows, because I've just noticed there is a little bit yellow here, that I'm just going to bring that out of the skin. I think that's gone a little bit fast, so I'm going to take the opacity down, but you can simply paint that off with a black brush too, if you wanted to. I'm going to come on the go away purple, and I'm just going to take a little bit of the purple out of this box too. I'm zooming into the face here. You can of course do your skin retouching as normal, which you can work on the main background, or you can do this first and then work on the skin retouching after. I always recommend leaving little spots, flakes or anything like that right until the end of your edit. Don't be tempted to kind of rush in there and do them first, because you'll often find once you've balanced the image out you have a lot less to do. So I'm going to bring this natural vignette in a little bit. This will darken around those edges. But I'm going to grab a brush and switch this to black just to paint some of that vignette off anywhere I don't really want it to show. You can also use the grain texture here to paint over any banding if you have it. Banding is where you kind of get these lines. They show in digital, they don't really show in print so much. And I think I'm going to use the darken brush just to bring it across the bottom here. Okay, so let's do before and after of that quick 3-minute edit. Before and after. And that is using the LSP Sleek Workflow Action Collection. And that is available at www.lsp-actions.com.